If you are wondering if we can use full screen in the camera on iPhone 17, then the answer seems to be no, or at least partially no. So what I mean by that is we can go to these 6 dots in the upper right corner in the photo mode, and then you should be able to find aspect, and we can switch to 16 by 9, which covers almost the whole screen. Not quite the whole screen, as you can see here we have black bars at the top and at the bottom. So unfortunately I wouldn't say it is full screen, but I know that some people would consider this as the full screen. So depending how you what you actually consider full screen, if you think that this is the full screen, then you can say that yes, we do have full screen. And you can notice that after a quick second we have this transparent black bar, but it is actually not used for the photo. Once you take the photo, this part is not used. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.